Assalamu alaikum everyone, and yeah, hi, my name is Muhammad Shah and welcome to another episode of Toca Tech Unboxing. It's another day and we got ourselves another product to unbox here on this channel. But before that, I made another unboxing video of a mouse for which the link is given in the description. You should definitely check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. So it's a headset. So I was searching on the web for headset brands in my country and Google popped some brands out. I wanted to choose at random, so I randomly chose the number 5, which was the Audiotic Blue Beats. So I went to the brand official website and the first glance on the man enjoying his music made me firmly fixated on me buying a product from this brand. So I went to the headset category and viewed the cheapest wireless headset, which I surprisingly found was just for 1600 PKR, that's even less than $12. This was the time that I got skeptical, but I saw the reviews and mostly were complimenting it, so I ordered it. Not from their official website, but from Daraz, since they were out of the stock. So it's an Audiotic B999 Premier Wireless Headphone. At least they got a nice packaging, solid base written on it. So let's quickly unbox it. I'm using the Toca again, but no dramatic entrance for this one since it only costs $1147. For people who have been watching my videos do get what I mean. So let's expeditiously take out a headset. There's no shock there. The build quality doesn't feel too bad, but it ain't premium quality. But for just $12, I can't complain. The next thing you get is a 3.5mm aux cable, and then there is your micro USB cable. Then there is your user manual, and finally your warranty card. That's all the box content. So let's talk about the headset now. Like I told you before, the build quality isn't premium, but it still is decent looking, and the cool thing about it, it's quite portable. On the headset there are a lot of buttons. The power on and off switch, mute button, play and pause call receiver button, then there is the volume increase forward button, and finally there is your decrease and backward button. Then you get is a micro USB slot and a 3.5mm slot. On the box there was not much information given about the specs aside from the frequency and the driver unit type and its size. The size of the driver unit is 40mm, which is the smallest size one can get on the over-the-head headset. The pairing of the headset is just cheap material, and I can tell that just from touching it. The longest time I can use this headset is for just 1 hour, and after that my ears would start hurting. Most specification of the headset is that it is running 4.2 Bluetooth, has a charging time of 1.5 hours, and its battery can last up to 6 hours. And it also includes a microphone. Let's test the sound now. That's surprisingly nice, man. It's giving a crisp sound and it's emitting a little bit of bass, but for just $12, one can't complain seriously. I'm telling you, this is a nice sound. Let me give you a demo. And yeah, I almost forgot, I found it one interesting thing on the warranty card that I can win prizes and get a chance to meet with Fahad Mustafa by just scratching the grey bar. Let's do that. So I scratched the bar with my Toca, but there is no follow-up instruction. It only says that check their Facebook page. I'll do that later. People, I really need to tell you this, that I found a very weird warranty disclaimer that's pretty ironic and funny. It says the warranty is excluded by acts of God. Wallahi. That's it for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, consider subscribing, and if you want to suggest anything, hit the comment section. I would love to respond to you. Okay, until next episode, Khuda Hafiz and bye.